lost in the shadows. My dreams extinguished, walking on the fallows. The days pass by, I drown in my thoughts. Each breath is a weight, a battle I fought. But somewhere within, a light starts to shine, a fragile hope that slowly aligns. I close my eyes, I hear that whisper. It tells me to hold on, the future is crisper. I am weak, but I won't give in. In this dark, I see the light within. I rise again, stronger every day. Hope guides me, I'll find my way. The storms of life have bent me low, but each scar reminds me I've survived the blow. I feel the strength grow in my broken heart. Every beat is a victory, a brand new start. For in the darkest night, dawn always breaks. Where doubt once ruled, a new me awakes. I take a breath, feel the energy. Hope carries me, I'm living freely. I am weak, but I won't give in. In this dark, I see the light within. I rise again, stronger every day. Hope guides me, I'll find my way. Every step I take, I feel the change. The fear fades away, no longer strange. I'm breaking free from the chains of doubt. I hear my voice, I'm starting to shout. With every fall, I've learned to rise. The pain and tears, they open my eyes. Now I stand tall, no longer afraid. The path ahead is one.